filming.
Wait. Hi, I'm Katie. I'm Corey. This is STSOA 2 because we added extra person to it.
You need to go the same speed, guys.
I'm sorry about this over 3 times.
No, it's kind of hard going down. Let's try more.
Oh wait, now I gotta race it. Hold on.
Oh, yes.
We put them on YouTube.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Hey, you got a head start.
Yeah.
Oh. I rode on one time. I'm getting food now.
So the world can see how many you take. Let's watch Corey puke. That's gonna hurt so bad. Right about there.
This one. I can talk.
Yeah.
I'll count.
Yeah, that was the point.
Yeah. Vroom, vroom. Under
You okay?
It's stuck in my throat.
Okay. We good? We're not gonna die.
Beep, beep.
That's why we don't do that many at once, alright?
No.
Next time, swallow in between.
Oh, no, it was like a sharp piece of it. Alright, this is the video of Corey, Katie, and Elizabeth filming. Thank you. Have a great day.